Hi everyone, Joe for jaspyscasebreaks.com coming at you with a quick little Bowman Chrome HTA box from 2021. Random team break number 27 with a shot at getting 3 Hit Parade dual case spots. Big thanks to this group for making it happen. All teams are in, and let's roll it. Randomized names and teams, 5 and a 3, 8 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is just for the break itself. Got a chance at a few autographs in here. A little blast from the past from 2021. All right, we got Cleveland down to the Yankees. Also worth looking up these players too. You know, some of them might be washed out of the league. Someone might still be grinding it out. Some might see some stars here. Future stars. Here's the first half of the list. Here's the second half of the list. No trade windows. Let's print and rip. Really easy break. 3 cards, 3 autos. All right, ooh, we got some red coming up. Here's Jordy Barley. Padres, that'll be for Eugene K. I'm not sure what Jordy Barley is doing these days. He's, I think he's with the Nats now. Played 37 games last year, 157 average, 520 OPS. Still working on things. Here is Eguy Rosario. I know he's doing something. 3 out of 5, Red Wave Eguy Rosario. He's still around, right? Yeah, he got some at-bats in last year. Still with the Padres organization, 25 years old. Third baseman. So maybe he'll get a little bit of work in. Padres, that's Eugene K. And Eugene, all aboard the Big Hit Express. Woo-hoo! And, oh, nice. Dawn of Glory, Emerson Hancock, 2 out of 99 for Seattle. And that's going to be Joe Lawson and the Mariners. That's a name we know. Nice. See? There can be some surprises in this box, too. We got another one loaded up. Check it out. Now, let's flip back over here. Let's gather everybody's names, 1 through 30. And let's see who's going to win their way in to the Hit Parade break. Let's roll it, randomize it. 2 and a 5, 7 times, top 3. After 7, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th and final time. Now, I know there's not going to be a lot of winners in these fillers, but if you didn't make it this time, I would try next time. All right, but happy times, sad times for this group, but happy times for the top 3. Jimmy is happy, so is Joe and Stephen K. Congrats to the top 3 after 7. We're not that far away from that Hit Parade break, so I hope everyone keeps chipping away at it. Thanks. I'll see you next time for the next one. jaspyscasebreaks.com.